Welcome to a chilling exploration of the future of warfare. In a world where the line between science fiction and reality blurs, the rise of autonomous weapons has ignited a growing concern that we can no longer ignore. Today, we delve deep into the eerie world of killer robots, uncovering the terrifying reality that they represent. Greetings, viewers. It's a grim subject we're about to dive into, but it's one that demands our attention. Autonomous weapons, machines that can make life and death decisions without human intervention, are no longer just the stuff of Hollywood blockbusters. They are here, and they are a potential game changer in modern conflict. Our purpose in this video is simple: to educate and raise awareness about the profound implications of autonomous weapons. But before we embark on this unsettling journey, let's establish some fundamentals. First, let's define what we're talking about. Autonomous weapons are not your typical run-of-the-mill military tech. They are machines that can make decisions and act on their own, without a human operator pulling the trigger. We'll be discussing the critical difference between remote-controlled weapons and these autonomous killing machines. Understanding how they function independently is key to comprehending their threat. Now, let's step back in time for a moment. Autonomous weapons did not suddenly appear out of nowhere. We will provide a brief overview of their development, highlighting key milestones in their history. You might be surprised by how long these ideas have been in the making and the countries and organizations that have been involved in their development. Fast forward to the present day, and autonomous weapons have already become a reality on the battlefield. We will discuss the different types of autonomous weapons that are currently in use, providing concrete examples of their deployment, like drones and sentry guns. To underscore the urgency of the matter, we will also touch on recent conflicts where these machines were used to deadly effect. However, it's not just about the technology. It's the ethical and moral dilemmas that make the situation even more complex. We will explore the profound questions raised by autonomous weapons, from the blurred lines of accountability to the disturbing potential for conflict escalation. So, buckle up for a journey into the unsettling world of autonomous weapons. It's a topic that affects us all, and by the end of this video, we hope you will be inspired to join the conversation and take action. Now, as we confront this unsettling reality, it's vital to understand the international legal framework surrounding autonomous weapons. Existing international laws, such as the Geneva Conventions, were established to safeguard the principles of humanity in warfare. However, they were designed with human soldiers in mind, not machines making life or death decisions. We will discuss how these laws apply to autonomous weapons and their limitations. Efforts to regulate and ban these killer robots are indeed underway. Advocates and organizations worldwide are pushing for international agreements to limit or even prohibit their use. However, enforcing these regulations poses a significant challenge. The very nature of autonomous weapons raises questions about accountability and compliance, making it difficult to ensure they are used within the bounds of international law. The relentless advancement of technology is driving the development of autonomous weapons. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the heart of their decision-making processes, enabling them to adapt to complex situations. But these advancements come with a dark side. These machines are now equipped with highly sophisticated sensors, which improve their accuracy and lethality. This technological prowess is a double-edged sword, offering benefits in other sectors while also enabling the creation of even deadlier weapons. One of the gravest concerns is the concept of dual-use technology. It means that technology developed for one purpose can be easily adapted for another, in this case, for military use. This dual-use aspect of technology poses an ethical dilemma and a significant security risk. It underscores the importance of responsible technological development and oversight. Let's not forget the humanitarian and security concerns that loom large over the world of autonomous weapons. These machines can operate in ways that were once considered inhumane. We'll explore the chilling humanitarian impact, from potential indiscriminate targeting to the difficulty of ensuring proportionality in conflicts. Moreover, the proliferation of autonomous weapons has the potential to spark arms races and create new global security risks. As more nations and groups acquire this technology, the world becomes a more dangerous place. We'll share examples of incidents and accidents involving these weapons, illustrating how quickly a situation can escalate when machines are left to make life and death decisions. The good news is that there are individuals and organizations actively advocating against autonomous weapons. These champions of peace are working tirelessly to raise awareness, lobby for regulations, and educate the public about the dangers they pose. In our description below, we've included links to some of these organizations, so you can explore their work and consider supporting their cause. If you are wondering how you can get involved and make a difference, we'll provide some practical steps and resources. Whether it's signing petitions, contacting your representatives, or simply spreading awareness on social media, your actions can be a crucial part of the solution. In conclusion, the rise of autonomous weapons is a topic that demands our immediate attention. We've uncovered the disturbing realities of these machines, from their development to their ethical implications, and the international efforts to regulate them. The humanitarian and security concerns are too grave to ignore. We implore you to take a stand, join the discussion, and support the cause. This issue affects us all, and it's only through collective awareness and action that we can hope to address it effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing this video is one way you can contribute to a safer and more humane future. Thank you for watching, and let's work together to ensure a world where the terrifying reality of autonomous weapons remains firmly in the realm of fiction. Leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on finance and AI technology. Thank you for watching.